Hi, my name is Jake, and I want to welcome you. I'm so excited that your Herbalife nutrition coach invited you to learn some more facts about our amazing company. So your ultimate goals may include that you want to choose when you work, having flexibility in your schedule. Maybe you'd like to be able to positively impact others and get that fulfillment, right? Or maybe you could really benefit from earning some extra income, or you have a goal of looking better and feeling better and spending more time with family and friends. So with Herbalife Nutrition, you're able to utilize our strengths for your benefit. And we have some incredible strengths. You know, Herbalife products are phenomenal, and I'm going to talk to you more about our products today. Herbalife's been in business now for over 40 years. We're open in over 90 countries around the world. We have a strong system for training and personal growth to teach you what to do. And we're a multi-billion-dollar company. Historically, we've done $2 billion, $3 billion, $5 billion, $7 billion in sales, and we look forward to more growth in the future. So like we talked about, Herbalife Nutrition is worldwide. We're open in over 90 countries around the world, and we continue to expand. And so maybe you want to ask yourself, who do you know? Who do you know locally, nationally, internationally? Because with Herbalife Nutrition, you can have the opportunity to expand your business worldwide. So let's talk about our amazing products. With Herbalife, we offer nutrition for a healthy, active life. We have products for multiple different systems of the body. We have amazing products for healthy weight, whether it's for weight loss, for weight gain, or for maintaining your weight. And we know that our most popular product is our Herbalife Formula 1 Healthy Meal Replacement Shake. And globally, we sold over 1.6 billion servings of our Formula 1 shake in just a single year. So we know that people love it. And maybe you've had a shake and you know how delicious they taste. But what's so cool is it's not just shakes, right? We have products for specialized nutrition. We have amazing products for digestive health, products for heart health, and for sleep and relaxation. Awesome products for immune support. And we know that different bodies need different products. So we actually have products for men, products for women, products for children, and even for healthy aging. We have an amazing energy and fitness line. Part of that line is our Herbalife 24 line, and this is NSF tested and certified for sport. We also have products for skin and hair care, and our product line continues to expand. Let me introduce you to a few of our product success stories. What's so amazing is we've helped people from all different ages, races, shapes, and sizes with our amazing Herbalife Nutrition products. And here's just a few people. You can see that Billy lost 124 pounds. Liliana dropped 62 pounds. Mario cut 22. Kara, 38 pounds, and Donna lost 35 pounds. But remember, it's not just weight loss. Francie gained 13 pounds, Anil gained 7 pounds, and check out Karen, 73 years old. Look at her glowing skin results. And so you'll also want to ask your Herbalife Nutrition coach about their personal results with the Herbalife products. And maybe it is your goal to look better and feel better. And so you're going to want to speak with your coach so they can personalize an Herbalife Nutrition program for you. And they can work with your goals and your budget to help optimize a program specifically designed for you. And in reality, our amazing Herbalife Nutrition products lead to a great business opportunity. And so if it is your goal to potentially make money, then you're going to want to click on our Earning Opportunities video to learn more now.